Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Lego Digital Designer to design any of the 3D models by using the Lego bricks as the official Lego software, what we call the Lego Digital Designer, and export it as FBX file. And the FBX file will be able to be used by any of other 3D software like 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing software. So now you can scroll down, go to the video description, and download the Lego Digital Designer from the official website, and also download the LeoCAD for free. You need to download and install these two software. So now I already did this, and after finish install in your computer, you can start. Okay, now I open the Lego Digital Designer. This is the official version of the Lego 3D modeling software. Now, first step, you click the Digital Designer Extended, and then click plus, preview. And now you can have any bricks here. Of course, you can break any humans, the human body, and also any of the Lego bricks, where you can change the color as well. You can create any Lego brick from here. You can change the color as well. It is also included some of other pieces, for example the door. Choose a color. You can choose a brick that you want. So if you're already satisfied and after finish do your modeling here, then you can export it out. So if you want to export it out, you can click File, Export, Export Model. Here you choose the LDRAW file, LDR. As demo, I will put on my desktop. This is the first step before you export it as FBX file. I will name it as Untitled as well. I save it. Now, the LDR file is on my desktop. Next, what you need to do is go and install and have the LeoCAD in your computer. Use the LeoCAD to open the LDR file. File, import, or use the open. Open the LDR file. The LDR file is on your desktop. Click the desktop, double click in. Now, this 3D models is imported into the LeoCAD, and some of the models are compatible and some of models are not compatible, so that's why some of the models is missing from there. However, the LeoCAD also a 3D modeling software where you can add the bricks that necessary. So I also encourage you to use the LeoCAD as well. You can choose the color, it is the same. Once you already feel that you're satisfied on your Lego bricks and model, you can export it out from here. File exports as wavefront. You need to go through this process. The wavefront is the OBJ. So now you export it as OBJ file first. I will export on my desktop as Untitled OBJ. I will just name it Demo 01. I save. It's on my desktop. It should be here. So the OBJ file, it is already a universal 3D file. If you double click it, it will open with the 3D viewer, and actually you can view it immediately. So now you can see it is already the 3D models. Where this OBJ file you can import into any of the 3D modeling and 3D animation software. To make it become an FBX, you need the Blender. Blender is a free software. So I not yet give you the link of the Blender. It is very easy. You can search in Google Chrome where to download Blender. Download Blender. Enter. And now download the Blender, you get the URL. Now this one I'm going to share in the video description as well. You can scroll down, go to the video description and click this link, the blender.org/download. Download Blender for free. All of these software are already listed. It's already in your video description. Just need to scroll down to click to download the Blender. Once you already downloaded, you have to install the Blender in your computer, and after you start the Blender, you need to import the OBJ file. The first step, you need to highlight the camera, the cube, and the light, and press delete button to delete everything. And now you click File, Import the OBJ. The OBJ file is the wavefront, and click the desktop. The OBJ file is on the desktop. Just to double click in and wait for a while to check where is it now. So all of the OBJ file already successfully imported, and you are going to flip it. Now it is a complete 3D models, and rotation is 90 degree. You have to make sure you click here and click here. Make sure the rotation you make it become 0 and press enter. And now everything back to 0 already. Now, in order to import into any other 3D animation software, the best format should be FBX file. By using your Blender, you export it out as FBX file. You click File, Export as FBX. File, Export, FBX. As demo, I will export it on my desktop, and this is the FBX file. I will just name it as Lego FBX 01. Export it as FBX file. Then it will be on my desktop. And now the FBX file is the universal 3D model format. Now this FBX file you can transfer to anyone. You can import into any other 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing software like iClone, Blender, Unreal Engine, Unity, Autodesk, Maya, etc. And this is a complete model, or you can just use this as a demo to show everyone just by using the 3D viewer, and that's all. Alright, that's all for today about how to use the Lego Digital Designer and the AutoCAD to create any of the Lego 3D models and export as FBX file for other 3D software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell to select all to activate all the notifications, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy animation and game developing. See you.